As we have defined problem statements before getting into joins, and then we have explored details related to joins, let's get into the solutions for those problem statements. The first problem statement is nothing but get number of flights departed from each of the US airport in the month of 2008 January. As part of air traffic data, we do not have country details. Country details is part of airport codes, and hence we have to use airport codes to determine US airport. We have to use air traffic data to get departure details. To solve this problem, we have to perform inner join between the two. You can see that Spark session object is created by name Spark, and also this property is set to 2 because we are dealing with a small dataset. This is the path in which we have 2008 January data. Instead of using the complete air traffic data, we are only using 1 month data, which is nothing but 2008 January. As the file format in this location is Parquet, we are using spark.read.parquet and passing this as argument. It will take care of reading Parquet files in this location into a data frame called as air traffic. You can see the projection of this data. We are projecting only year, month, day of month, origin, destination, and CRS departure time. There are few other fields. We don't want to get into those fields for this problem. I just want to limit the scope to whatever fields that are relevant for this problem statement, and hence I am only projecting these many. That being said, you can scroll down and you can get the count of air traffic. We have 605,659 flights that are scheduled or departed for the month 2008 January. Now, another variable by name airport codes path is defined. It is pointing to airport codes location. This will take care of creating a function by name get valid airport codes. It takes one argument. We have to pass the path of the airport codes to this function. It will read the file in this location. This will take care of reading the file in this location. The file have the header, and also the data in the file is delimited by a tab. That's why we have sep as tab and header as true. Also, we want to determine the data types based upon the values. For that, we have infer schema here. On top of this, we want to consider only US airports. That's why we have this additional condition. Also, there is some data quality issue. We have multiple entries related to airport code BIG. We want to consider only one. This will take care of considering only one airport related to IATA BIG. This will take care of including only US airports. Finally, whatever filtered airports are related to US, those will be returned. So this function will take care of reading the files from the location passed, filter for US airports, and return those US airports. Now airport codes is nothing but result of this function call. It will contain only US airports. You can see the count of airport codes here. We have 443 airports in US. Now you should be able to join air traffic and airport codes like this. This is the join condition. Airport codes have IATA, which contain airport code. Air traffic have a field called as origin, which will determine the airport from which the flights are departed. As we are talking about the flights being departed, we have to use this as part of the join condition. Once the air traffic and airport codes are joined, I am projecting only some fields to preview the output. You can see the output here. We have year, month, day of month, city, state, country, IATA or airport code, and the scheduled departure time. Now our problem statement is nothing but count of flights from each US airport. You should be able to get that by using this logic. After joining air traffic with airport codes using the data frame that is generated, we are grouping by origin. Origin is the airport from which the flights are departed. After grouping by origin, we are actually performing count like this. We are providing alias to the count as flight count, and then we are saying order by call of flight count in descending order so that we get the most busy airport at the top and least busy airport at the bottom. And you can see the results here. There are 33,899 flights departed from Atlanta Airport in the month of 2008 January, followed by ORD, then DFW, then Denver, so on and so forth. This is how you should be able to solve this problem using inner join. We are able to get the count of flights that are departed from each of the US airport by using this logic.